Hi folks, I am Becky with Holy Smokes Photography. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are continuing on with my series of my trip to northern Idaho from June 2022. And our last episode we watched just getting to Heyburn State Park and exploring it. We ran into a deer and were able to just kind of get settled in and have a nice little campfire. In this second episode, we're going to be taking part in my second day where I get up super early and I head and chase the sunrise and run into some moose and just kind of explore the area. So let's get into it, guys.
Alrighty folks, it is about 4:30 in the morning. It is very quiet at the campsite here. I think I'm the only one awake. And we are going to head off to a lake and try and get some sunrise pictures. It's about 30 minutes away, so we're going to get there right about the same time and take some beautiful pictures. Let's hit the road. Just about to hit the turn off for Bull Run, which is a nature area that is very marshy and very much great area for moose. So we're going to spend quite a bit of time here today and have some fun with it. Get settled in here and have some breakfast and take a look at some things. So yeah, here one-lane bridge. Ooh, hopefully I'm the only one on it. There's a moose right there. You guys see it? Yes, just a little guy. But when there's one moose, there's two moose. And that was small moose. So we're gonna go, there's a bigger moose somewhere nearby. And by that I probably mean mama. So we stopped and waited to see if the moose would come back out, and it headed further down. It popped its head out once, but I think we scared it pretty good. So we're gonna just ease our way in here and see what else we see. Alrighty folks, that's a moose right there. All the way. They're very far away. Using my telephoto lens, looking out across this lake area. But we'll go in closer again for you guys. There you go. Oh, look at him go. So that's that same moose. It moved down to the water. Here's zoomed in all the way. There's a second one coming towards it too. Oh my gosh.
all the way over there. Alrighty folks, so we just pulled in and we are right here, which is Coeur d'Alene River Wildlife Management Area at the Rose Lake boat launch, and there was no one here. The sun is just hitting those mountains, and when it does, it is going to be beautiful. So let's walk on the dock. Beautiful, beautiful morning.
So I'm gonna make some breakfast because I'm hungry. We got a little bit before the sun hits those, and seems like a good place. So yeah, let's do it. Well, alrighty folks, just cooked up some oatmeal, some hot chocolate, gonna eat some hard-boiled eggs for breakfast and enjoy this view and wait for that sun just to get trickled down to the base of those mountains and get a beautiful shot of the morning sun there. And then I think we're gonna do some fishing. So I think it's gonna be a good morning. The sun has come out a little bit more, and we had a friend join us on the dock. So we're gonna get set up to take some shots and see him right away. He's like, "What you doing?" Alright, so I was going to set up and fish there, but a couple of dudes came when I was in the bathroom and asked if they could use the dock to fish off of, and I didn't really feel comfortable filming while they were there because, you know, I don't want to ruin their moment for my moment, and I'm sure the fishing was great. I didn't see them catch anything by the time I left. I'm going to fish later on, and we're going to keep going and just enjoy today. So we are going to head back in the same direction. We're on this wildlife area, so we're going to head back and kind of do some traversing and then probably hit some of that paved trail that goes through all of this. So definitely want to be careful on that though, because we know there's moose, we probably know there's bears, so we want to be extra careful, especially because I'm alone and they can be aggressive when approached, you know, unsuspectingly. So let's get on with today's